Hello, welcome to grade 4 midterm drill. My name is Mrs. Lovelin. If this is your first time watching this channel, hit the subscribe button below. So today we'll be looking at two different sounds. The first sound is err. Let's say it together. Err. Now this sound err has different spelling letters. But today, we'll be looking at just two letters that says the sound err in words. The first letter is you are. Let's say it together. You are. Very good. And the next letter is I are. Let's say it together. I am. Very good. Now, here are some words with the sound err. Burn. Say after me, burn. The next word, turn. Let's say it together, turn. Very good. The next word, girl. Everybody say that, girl. Very good. The next word, sir. Let's say it again, sir. Very good. Now let's pronounce the words together again. Burn, turn, girl, sir. Very good. Now when you're asked to transcribe words with this sound er, I guess you know how to go about that. So let's have some examples together. Girl. What do? The first thing you do is to write down your slash, right? Good. We pull down the slash. The letter G in the word girl says G. So you write down the sound G. IR, don't forget, says the sound er. Good. So you write down the sound er. Then L says the sound Now what do you do at the end? You close down your slash. Don't forget, you have a beginning slash and an ending slash. Very important. Now let's take another example. Let's transcribe the word turn. Now if you're to transcribe the word turn, what's the first thing you do? You put down your slash. This way. Very good. The letter T says the sound T. Then UR says the sound er. Good. Then N says the sound Then you close down. You close your slash. When you're transcribing your words, don't forget, don't use capital letters. Our next sound is or. Everybody, let's say that. Or. Again. Or. Very good. Now the O sound is a long sound. Do you know why it's a long sound? Okay, because it has two dots beside it. So when you see a sound with these two dots, you know it's a what? It's a long sound. Very good. The sound or has different spelling patterns. But today, we'll be looking at just one, which is OR. So when you see words with OR, it says the sound or in words. Let's look at some examples. The first example here is for. Let's say it together. For. Again. For. Very good. Another word is port. Let's say it together. Port. Again. Port. Very good. One more word. We have another example that says Lord. But let's say it together. Lord. Again. Lord. Very good. So now when you see words with OR, how do you pronounce it? Oh, good. If you're asked to transcribe words with the O sound, I believe you know what to do. Now let's try some examples together. Let's transcribe the word Lord. If we have to transcribe the word Lord, what's the first thing we do? We pull down the slash. The letter L in the word Lord says the sound you write down good. The Then OR says the sound or. Then D says the sound D. Then don't forget to put down your ending slash. Your beginning slash and your ending slash. Very good. Now your home drill. Transcribe the following word with the sound err and the sound or. Cheerio!